Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of MS Word course, I'm gonna teach you how to check spellings and grammatical errors in MS Word. Well guys, as you know, MS Word is a text document software where you create documents based on your text, right? So it is pretty important to check your spellings, check your grammatical errors before presenting that particular document in any professional place, whether it is college, school, or in your office, right? So let's understand how we can check the spelling mistakes and grammatical errors in MS Word. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my MS Word document, MS Word software, not document, and this is the document open in front of me, right? So here I have intentionally made some changes. As you can see, there's a red zigzag line and blue two straight lines are showing below few words. So what are the basically what are the importance of these lines? So if there is a spelling mistake, then you'll be able to see this kind of red zigzag line, right? And if there is a grammatical error, then you'll be able to see these two blue parallel lines, right? Now in order to check what is the correct spelling, there's a small shortcut which you can use. What you have to do is just select the word. Basically you don't have to select the word, just move your cursor there and just hit the right button of your mouse and you will be able to see suggested words, right? Grammatical error free content, right? Now if you properly want to check your document that whether all the content is grammatically correct and the spelling mistake is not there, so for that you have to go to review tab, and review tab you'll be able to see this spelling and grammar option. Once you click here, this kind of small window will appear in front of you. Now the first option is just for your preference that the word which you have written is pronouncing correct or incorrect, right? So you can check that what is the pronunciation of that particular word, right? So I have just now you'll be able to see, right? So if I don't select this, you'll be able to see the proper line. You can add a matching cover page, header, and sidebar, right? Like this. For example, you can add a matching cover page, now, and sidebar. I have to just place the cursor in the paragraph where I want to check the things, right? As you can see here, it is showing that this word is wrong. Now if I want, I can check the pronunciation, otherwise I can directly replace this word with the correct word, right? So if I click on this, the word will be replaced, right? Now it is automatically went to the second spelling mistake, which is this, right? So these are the perfect suggestions which I can choose from. So let's say I want to choose this, I just have to select this and done, right? Also you can see the synonyms as well, like the synonym of document, which is text, record, or file, right? And you get few more options over here, right? Like read aloud. If you want to read aloud this particular word, so you can use document, this option, and this will text, read aloud. Record, then we have file, spell out. So this will basically spell out the word, right? Then change all. Basically if you have multiple words, same word in your document, then you can change this word in one go. Basically you can replace this word in one go. You just have to click here and change all will be done. Then you have autocorrect, add to autocorrect. So if whenever you write this document word wrong, this will autocorrect. You don't have to manually correct it, right? This will autocorrect. Basically the MS Word software will autocorrect itself. Then we have autocorrect options, so you can check out all the autocorrect options here, right? I'm not gonna explain you all that now. Same goes with the grammatical errors as well. You just have to place your cursor over here and you'll be able to see the correct suggestion. You just have to click here and the suggestion, basically the changes have been done, right? You just have to do it like this. So you can just do one by one. You just have to select the correct spelling and it will be automatically done. And once all the mistake is done, you'll be able to see this kind of message that spelling and grammar check is complete. So there's no spelling and grammatical error right now. So just hit the OK. Now if you are not able to see any grammatical error or any spelling error, which means according to MS Word your document is grammatical error free and spelling mistake free. But there's some exceptions where the mistake can happen. Let's say I'm adding my name here, right? So if I write my name, if this word is added in MS Word's dictionary, then this word will be correct according to MS Word. But if this word is not added in MS Word's dictionary, then MS Word will show red zigzag line under this word. So if I hit the space button, you'll be able to see that it has been recognized that this is a correct word, and basically it has recognized that this is a name, and the S word is automatically capital because every name has the first word capital, right? So it has been recognized, right? And let's say you are writing Sam, right? And once I press the space button, it has not been recognized. The MS Word has not recognized that Sam is a name. Now it is showing that this is a mistake. Basically this is a wrong word, right? Now if I want, I can right click and I'll be able to see these kind of suggestions, right? So I can change it to SAM where the S is capital, or I can directly go to this option, grammatical spelling and grammar option, right? Now here I do have the suggestions. Otherwise if I want, let's say I want to add this particular word in MS Word's dictionary so that from the next time MS Word doesn't show that this is a mistake. So for that I have to, obviously the word is selected. Now I just have to click on this add to dictionary button, and the word will be added into MS Word's dictionary, right? I hope you understood. Now I'm not adding because this is not the correct word, that's why, right? Now let me press. Now there's two more options in proofreading. I'm showing you the proofreading options, all the options in proofreading, right? Now we do have thesaurus option. What is the use of this? So let's say you want to know the synonym of any particular word, so you can use this thesaurus option. First you have to select the particular word, or you can just directly click on this thesaurus and you'll be able to see the synonyms like this. Right now you have to select the word. Let's say I'm selecting powerful and click the search button, or let me just copy it and I can put it here. Now I place the enter the search button, and these are the synonyms of powerful word, right? Tons of synonyms, and even you can see the antonymy as well, right? These are the antonymy. So very useful tool. If you want to add synonym, you want to add antonymy, you can use the thesaurus option. You don't have to go on Google and search it, right? So all the options are embedded in MS Word. You don't have to go in third party tool or third party platform where you have to search anything extra, right? So you just have to explore the tools, you just have to explore the options. Then once you are done with the thesaurus option, I hope you understood the use of thesaurus. Then we do have this very useful option, word counter. So many people use third party word counter tool. They do copy the content and they copy it to any third party tool on Google in order to find out the word count, basically, right? But they don't know that this tool, basically this option, is available in the MS Word itself. You just have to click on this, you have to go to review tab, and here you'll be able to see word counter option. You just have to click on this and all the statistics will be available in front of you, that this document has 17 pages, this document has 9,562 words, then characters is 42,552 without yes, without space. Then we do have with space, then paragraph, that how many paragraphs are there, how many lines are there. So every data is added here. You'll be not able to get this specific data in any third party word counter tool, right? So again I'm saying that all the options are available in MS Word. You just have to explore and you'll be able to find the solution. And with that said, take your leave now. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe and like button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your needy friend who want to learn MS Word course more effectively and efficiently. Now I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.